To fetch API data in JavaScript, you can use the Fetch API, which is built into modern web browsers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Use the fetch function to make an HTTP request to the desired API endpoint. Pass the URL of the endpoint as an argument to fetch. Fetch. Fetch returns a promise that resolves to a response object. Use the then method to handle the response object returned by fetch. Then response. Inside the callback function passed to then, use methods like JSON, text, blob, etc. to extract the response data in the desired format. For JSON data, use response.json. Return response.json. The JSON method also returns a promise, so use another then to handle the parse JSON data. Then data. Inside the callback function passed to the second then, you can access the parse JSON data and perform any desired operations with it. Console.log data. Use catch to handle any errors that occur during the fetch operation. Catch error. Console error, error fetching data error.